Hey everyone, it's Exterminator87 once again trying to crank out some content. And today we're shooting the Glock 43X. So far I really enjoy it. Shoots pretty good, I think. You may have seen the other video I've done on the regular Glock 43. And the difference between the two guns is the grip is a little taller on this one. It holds more rounds and it gives you more to grab onto. I believe the other one doesn't have these serrations on the slide either. Firing 9mm rounds, this thing feeds from 10 round single stack magazines. Using a compact slimline frame, this one features the black slide and frame, but it comes in a variety of other finishes as well. The slide is the same size and interchangeable with the standard Glock 43. The grip frame is longer on the 43X to accommodate the non-interchangeable 10-round magazine. And I think that's one downside, is the lack of being able to use the different magazines between these guns like some of the other ones. Having features from both the Gen 5s and the Slimline series, it combines features such as a built-in beaver tail, reversible magazine catch, a 3.41-inch match-grid Glock marksman barrel, front serrations on the slide, and a short trigger distance. Got a Wheaton Arms trigger on this Glock 43X and a ghost trigger bar. With a loaded magazine, it weighs approximately 23.07 ounces. Its overall length is only 6.5 inches. And it's just over an inch wide. But if you want a slimmer Glock 9mm than a Glock 19 or a 26, then this could be the one for you. Everything else, the takedown, the general look, and the feel is all the expected Glock features. For pocket carry or deep concealment, the Glock 43 standard may be a better option, but for comfort and shooting, in my opinion, I like the way the Glock 43X felt with its longer frame. Let's just shoot it because I'm more interested in doing that. I thought this was kind of interesting. Look at how that bullet hit the bottom there. Super weird.
Hehehe. I shoot the gun better one-handed.
Exterminator 87. Hope you enjoyed this video on the Glock 43X. I enjoyed shooting it. It would make a pretty good carry gun, I think. It's nice and slim. Capacity is good for its size, and it's pretty comfortable to hold on to for how small and compact it is. I think it feels better than the other Glock 43 because I got pretty big hands and it gives me enough to grab onto. Be sure to like, favorite, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, comment, keep watching, keep shooting. We'll see you next time. Exterminator 87 signing off.
Hood style, baby. Hood style. We're going to hood today. We're going hood.
Quiet.